Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. So I have a really quick and fun project share for you. This is my design project for my porch prints as well as a tattered dream, and I will leave all the links in the description box below. So funny thing about this video, I filmed it, I did the tutorial, and then after I went to check, I realized it had all filmed in slow motion. So of course, I had to redo it. And so that leaves me with this part of showing you what I've done. I've actually made two, so I'll be showing you this one first, and then I'll show you a different version on what I did with the cover right after. So I hope you enjoy the share, and let me just get started showing you what I did. I love this because, again, it's another one of those ephemera holders that I really love to make. So you can send to your pen pals or in snail mail. I had so much fun putting this together. And as I always mention to you, I like to start with like a template for what I'm making. So this actually was the first one I made, and that was like my template. And so then I thought, okay, I like how it came out. I like how, the whole design is looking. I always tweak it a little bit. So yeah, let me just get started with this one. So the cover, as you can see here, I've got that beautiful little flower and the little trim from a Tattered Dream, as well as the envelope, which is one of those CD holders. So I've just done a little bit of layering and stuff there. And so you'll notice that this is actually a little pocket. And so I've got the Christmas themed, oh my gosh, I love this digitals. Stephanie has so many things for the holidays right now, so check out her shop below. So anyways, that's how that looks. So you can see, if you send this to like grandparents or something, you can add a photo of the family in there. I think it would be so cute. So then you flip it open, and I still like that you can see, all the little elements from the front. So what I've done here is I've made a pocket, and again, all the digitals are from my porch prints. I added a little tag here, and I just added some fabric little tabs because I thought it was just, a little something here you could write in the back of them or something. So here we have another large pocket with a tag, and like I said, it's all holiday themed. So you flip that over and you have the design on the other side. I just used different elements from the digitals that I thought, looked nice for this project. So here, again, another nice pocket. You can just see how that looks there. And then I've got the gorgeous little tag again with some fabric tab, another element from the kit. And then this one is from a Tattered Dream. It's the guest checks, and I just added a little bit of like holiday fabric to that as well, because I thought, it's just an extra space to do some journaling or add some things to it. So here you'll find there's a large pocket, and I've just shrunk down the pages a little bit from the journaling kit. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this. So I'll definitely be making more, because I'm thinking what I'll be doing is I'll be sharing this with friends as well, and family, etc. It's nice to kind of get your stuff out right before the big holiday rush kicks in. So here you'll see I've done a belly band, and then just a little bit of extra paper from the digitals, and then I just made a little pocket in the belly band there, and again some additional pieces. Now on this side, the bag is also from a Tattered Dream, and I just made it into like a couple of little pockets there, and you can see I've added like a sentiment from, it's the words, the Christmas words as well, and then it also has all the days in December, of course, and again I just kind of did a little bit of layering there. So this is from the kit. So it's this cute little coin envelope. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. And then these two are from a Tattered Dream. I've been wanting to use this sale price tag because of the color. I think it's just perfect right now. And then this is from, I believe, the French the French cards there. So I thought it was just perfect in that spot. So in the pocket there, I just, again, what I did here is I just embossed Merry Christmas on this piece of cardstock. You know, you could add that to anything else. And then I used one of the ephemera pieces again from the kit. And then the back, I've been wanting to use this paper so much. It's Braille. I know it's in Denise's shop. And so what I did is I made it into a tag because I think it also feels like it looks like it's embossed. And I think the crisp white with this just is perfect, almost like snow. Anyway, so I just kind of added that to the back of the bag. And then again, there's another large pocket in the back. You can do some journaling, add some photos, etc. So I had so much fun making this project, my friends. And I'm going to show you a different way that I did the cover for another one I've made. So I'll show you that in a moment, just to give you some ideas on, you know, what else you could do with this really fun ephemera holder. So I did want to show you just a different way that you could do the cover. And this is another one that I have made. Now, this little applique was given to me by Kim Newberg. So thank you so much, Kim. I think it's just perfect with the colors of what I'm using. And of course, I did a similar design on the front. As you can see, the window from the one on the right is different than the one on the left. So the left, I used the CD holder envelope. And it also visually looks a little bit larger than the one on the right, but they're the same size project except for the cover. This one I made differently. I made this one with a similar envelope design that I have shared with you before. I have the tutorial and I will link it below in case you haven't seen it. So this is made with a recycled business envelope, and I've shown you again how to make various versions of this one. So as you can see, I've just done the layering here as well with the different elements. And then I've covered this one. I recently showed you this envelope version. I have a couple of recycled envelope projects, but I'll link the one that I mentioned about this one below, where you can make the flip out, but it actually now becomes a pocket, and then you've got your design inside. And I wonder if I'll get this in now that I'm chatting with you here. So you can see that there, right? So I just added the design on the inside so you could see through the window, you know, something nice there, and then you can still put your additional pieces there. So anyways, that's the other kind of version. If you don't have these envelopes, you can always make something similar with a recycled envelope, but I love this idea. And so if you are interested in a tutorial on how I made this, just leave a comment below. If I get enough interest, I guess I will do the tutorial. I just, it's a lot of time, you know, to set aside to do the tutorial, to do everything. And if there's not a lot of interest, then I'm just going to show you what I've done. But if you're interested, definitely leave me a comment below. If I get enough of you that want to see the actual process, then I will do the tutorial. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that, and it really helps me know what videos you enjoyed and, you know, what types of videos you like to see. Hit that notification bell if you haven't done so, so that you know when my next videos are coming up. And I definitely have a lot more to share, so I will see you guys soon, and thanks so much for stopping by.